Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi Mahadev Vallekar. Today is a non-technical topic and the today's topic name is the climate change. Uh, the climate change is one of the most significant challenge which is faced by the humans nowadays. It refers to the long-term shifts in the weather patterns and the average temperatures. It is caused by the humans' activities like industrializations, deforestations, and the burning of the fossil fuels. The consequences of the climate changes are impacting the ecosystems, economics, and the societies across the globe. Then the reasons of the climate change, then the how we can overcome the changes of the climate change, which includes the reasons of the climate change are the greenhouse gas emissions, the burning of the fossil fuels like coal, oil, or the natural gas releases the carbon dioxide and the other gases into the air. The gases trap the heat, leads to the greenhouse effects and the global warming. Then the deforestation. The trees absorb the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The large-scale deforestation reduces the earth capacity to regulate the carbon's level. Then the livestock farming, which produces the methane and the potent greenhouse gas, which is unsustainable agriculture practices, also contributes to the soil degradations and the carbon dioxide emissions. Then the industrial activities, the factories releases the various pollutants and the greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, which results into the several climate change. Then the urbanization, expanding urban areas increase the energy consumption and generate the heat island, which contributes to the rising into the temperature of the environment. Then the effect of the climate change onto the humans, the rising the global temperatures. The earth average temperatures has increases significantly, which leads to the hotter weather and the more frequent heat waves. Then second one, it is a melting polar and the rise sea levels. The melting of the ice sheets has the rising the rising the sea. Then the extreme weather events. The climate change has increased the frequency and the severity of the hurricanes, floods, droughts, and the wildfires. Then the impact onto the biodiversity, changing the weather patterns, which is disrupt the ecosystem, leading to the extinction of the plant and to the animal species. Then the threats to the agriculture, erratic extreme weather events have reduced the crop yields, which threatening the global food. Then the health implications, rising the temperatures and the pollution's level contribute to the respiratory diseases, heat-related illness, and the spread of vector-borne diseases like malaria, dengue, or the other diseases. Then the solutions for the climate change. There are different solutions like transitions to the renewable energy, shifting from the fossil fuels to the renewable energy sources like solar and the hydropower can significantly reduce the greenhouse gas emissions. Then the reforestation and the afforestations. The planting the trees helps to absorb the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and helps to reduce the ecosystem. Then high energy and the efficiency into the homes, industries, and the transportation can reduces the carbon emissions from the atmosphere. Then the sustainable agriculture, adopting the climate smart agriculture practices can enhance the food security while reduces the environmental impact. Then the carbon captures and the storage, that is the CCS, the technology that captures and stores the carbon emissions can help to mitigate the climate changes. Then the public awareness and the policy changes. The government must implement the strict environmental regulations and invest into the climate adaptation strategies, which educating the public about the importance of the sustainable practices, which is play a crucial role into the to overcome the climate changes. Then the climate change poses a several threat to the life onto the earth, but it is invisible. Through the collective efforts and the sustainable practices, the humanity can mitigate its effects and adapt to its challenge. The responsibility lies with the individual communities, industries, and the governments to take the immediate and the meaningful actions to protect the planets for the future generations and try to avoid the activity which can leads to the climate changes. Thank you.